And now, the dash. A dash is like a detour sign. A detour sign changes direction and takes you off the main road. A dash is used within a sentence to show a sudden break or shift in thought. We use the dash when either the original thought or the detour thought is incomplete. There are 5 ways to use a dash. 1. A dash is used to mark an abrupt change of statement because of a sudden change of thought. For example, it's a lovely... There's an ice cream vendor. Oh, there's an ice cream vendor is separated from the rest of the sentence by a dash because it is an abrupt change of thought from it's a lovely. Hi, 1 chocolate cone, please.
1 chocolate cone.